Welcome to the Abacus classes. I am your Abacus teacher, Miss Garima Singh. So students, our today's video topic is big friend formulas of addition for +6, +5 and +4. Kids, in our previous video, we have discussed the sums related to big friend formula, and we have done the sums related to +9, +8 and +7. Now today in this video we will discuss the sums related to big friend formulas only, but of +6, +5, +4 means we will get the sums in which we will get lack of bead of +6, +5 and +4, and I will tell you how you will add 6, 5 and 4 in your sums by using big friends formula of addition. So kids, let's start our topic with the sums. Now students, you can see that in front of you the Abacus tool is there. Students, you are quite familiar with this tool. In my previous videos also, you have learned how to calculate or how to add or subtract any number with the help of this tool. So, let's revise the tool parts and the beads. Now, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots are there. So, you do your calculation from this mid dot. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do your calculation from this mid dot. Now this is called units rod, this is called tens rod and this is called hundreds rod. In your class you use 3 rods, ones, tens and hundred, or you can say ones, tens and hundred. So this is ones rod, or you can say units rod, this is tens and this is hundred. These 3 rods you use for the calculation. See kids, ones, tens, hundred. Now kids, in my previous videos also I have told you that you start adding the numbers from tens dot. Like if a number is 49. So first of all you will write ones and tens. Then you will add 4 first of all. And then you will add 9. Means you will start adding your numbers from left hand side in big friend formulas. Now let's do the first sum. Now students, this is your first sum. You can see that your sum is a 2-row sum. So your first row will go in ones rod and the second will go in tens rod. Now students, let's start adding. Kids, I think you remember that for adding any number you put the beads up, and for subtracting you put the beads down. And for 5, if you want to add, then you will put the bead down, and if you want to subtract 5, then you put this bead up. So kids, let's start adding. Now first of all you have to add 2. I have said you in the starting of the video that you will start your adding part from the tens rod, means from the left hand side. I think kids, you remember that in small friends we are adding from right hand side. Now in big friends addition formulas, you will start adding from left hand side. Now first of all add 2 in tens rod. Now to see this 1 is tens. So 1, 2. 2 bead up. Then add 3 in tens rod. See 1, 2, 3. And it's added. See 23 we have added. Now next add 1. See 1 in tens rod. See 1, easily we can add bead is there, and 0 means nothing. So this is done. Now next add 2 in tens order. See 2. But you can see kids that only one bead is there. So how you will add 2? Now for adding 2 you will take the help of small friends. Yes, I have told you kids that first of all you will go for the small friends. And if you can't apply small friends, then you will use the big friends. Now what is the formula for adding 2? The first number which you will add is 5. And you will subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 2 in small friends? One is the friend of 4 and 2 is the friend of 3. So 2 is the friend of 3. So 2 is the friend of 3. So you will subtract 3. Students, I have not written the small friend formulas. In my previous videos, I have told you to write the small friend formulas in your Abacus notebook. I hope kids that you have written those formulas in your Abacus notebooks and you have learned them also. So, for adding 2, use this formula. Now, plus 2 you have to do plus 5 minus 3. See, plus 5, 1, 2, 3 minus 3. And your 2 is added. Now you have to add 6 in ones lot. See, 5, 6. 6 is a combination of 5 and 1. So 5, 6 and this is done. Now next you have to add 1 in tens lot. Now 1 bead up. Now you have to add 6 in ones lot. Now see 6 you have to add, but you can see that 9 is already added. See 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is already added. So how you will add this 6 now? Now you will take the help of this. Our today's small big friend formula. This plus 6 is equals to plus 10 minus 4. Kids, this plus 9, plus 8 and plus 7 we have discussed in our previous video. Now today we will discuss plus 6, plus 5 and plus 4. 3 formulas we will discuss today. Now for adding 6 you will apply your first formula. Now what is the formula for adding 6? See there, plus 10 minus 4. See, whenever you will add any different number like 6, 7, 8, whatever, the first number which you will add is 10 and you will subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 6? 4. So you are subtracting 4. Kids, this formula you can make by your own also, by just learning the friends. Now apply this formula. Now you know that plus 10 you will do in one rod up. Now 6 you have to add in ones rod. So 10 you will add in tens rod, means one rod up. So in 10. 6 you have to add here. So 10 you are adding here. One rod up. Now next minus 4 you have to do from the same rod. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your sum is completed, means exists, added. Now count. See 5, 6, 7 in tens and 5 in ones. So your answer is 75. Kids, it needs practice. The formulas which I am writing here, you have to apply all these formulas directly in the room. But for applying it, you need practice. Practice the sums. You can do all the sums orally in your mind with the help of this tool. So kids, let's move to the second sum. Now kids, this is your second sum. Before starting the sum, set your abacus upper beads up and lower beads down. Now kids, you know that is a 2-row sum. So your first row will go in 1's rod and the second will go in 10's rod. But you start adding the numbers from left hand side, means from 10's rod. Now first of all add 1 in 10's rod. 1 means 1 bead up. Then add 2 in 1's rod. See, 1, 2. I hope kids that you are doing these sums with me. The best way to learn abacus is just play my video, put the tool in front of you and do with me. So this is completed. Now next you have to add 2 in 10's rod. See, 2 means 1, 2, 2 beads up, and 0, 0 means nothing. Now next you have to add 1 in 10's rod. See, 1 in 10's rod means 1 bead up. Now you have to add 7 in 1's rod. 7. See, 5, 6, 7. 5 from up and 2 from down. See, 5, 6, 7. And this is added done. Now you have to add 2 in 10's rod. See, now you can see that 4 beads are already added. So how you will add 2? Now for this 2, use the small friend formula. For adding 2, what is the formula? The first number which you will add is 5 and subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 2? 3. So subtract 3. So for adding this 2 plus 5 minus 3. So plus 5, 1, 2, 3 minus 3 from 10's rod. I have done plus 5, then minus 3 I have done 1, 2, 3, and your 2 is added. Now kids, you have to add 6. The 6. But you can see that 9 is already added. Now for adding 6, what is the big friend formula? It's our today's topic also. Plus 6 is equals to plus 10 minus 4. So kids, apply this formula. Now see, 6 you have to add in 1's rod. So 10 you will add in 10's rod, means 1 rod up. Now 6 you have to add in this rod. So 10 you will add here. 1 rod up. And minus 4 from the same rod. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 4. And your 6 is added. See students, what I have done? First of all, I have added 10. 10 I have added in this 10's rod, 1 rod up. Because 6 you have to add in this 1's rod. So I have added 10's here. So 10 I have added. Then minus 4 I have done from the same rod, 1, 2, 3, 4. And your 6 is added. Now count. See, 5, 6, 7 in this and 5 here. So your answer is 75. Okay kids, you are getting the same answers. In the first sum also you have got 75 and in this also you are getting 75. It's no problem, no issue. The sum is different. The answers are same. The sum is different. You can match it also. The first sum and the second sum are the different sums. Now kids, we will move to our next sum which is related to plus 5. Now kids, this is your third sum. Your first row will go in 1's rod and the second will go in 10's rod. So let's start your calculation from left hand side, means this side. Now first of all add 7 in 10's rod. See, set your abacus before starting any new sum. Now 7. See, 5, 6, 7. You can see kids 5, 6, 7 clearly. I have added. And now 6 in 1's rod. 6 means 5, 6. You You can see clearly 5, 6 in one slot and this is done. Now next you have to do minus 6. For minus 6, first of all minus 5. See 5 and 1 from down 6. See 5 I have subtracted and 1 I have subtracted. So it's 5, 6 I have subtracted. Now 0, 0 means nothing. So this is done. Now next you have to add 2 in tens slot. Now see bead is there. Yes, bead is there. See 1, 2. 2 beads up. Now next you have to add 3 in one slot. For 3 see 1, 2, 3. 3 bead up in one slot and it's added. Now this is completed. Now next case you have to add 3 in tens slot. 3 in tens slot. 3 here. Now you can see kids that only one bead is there. So how you will add 3? Now there is lack of beads. Now whenever there is lack of beads, you take the help of small friends first of all. So for adding 3, what is the formula? Make by your own kids. The first number which you will add is 5. And subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 3? 2. So subtract 2. The friend of 3 is 2. So this formula you will apply for this thing for adding 3. Now tens slot you have to add 3. So first of all add 5. Add 5. Then subtract 2. 1, 2. See, I have added 5 and subtracted 2. 1, 2. And your 3 is done. Now you have to add 5 in one slot. Now you can see here that 5 is already added. Yes, in this one slot will be this mid dot rod. 5 is already added. Now for adding 5, you have to use this second big friend formula. Plus 5 is equals to plus 10 minus 5. This. Plus 5 is equals to plus 10 minus 5. This formula you will use for adding this 5. Now see, first of all you are adding 10, then you are subtracting 5. Now why you are subtracting 5? Because the friend of 5 is 5. The friend of 5 is 5. Now first of all add 10. Now kids, you can see that 5 you have to add in one slot. So 10 you will add in 10 slot. This 10 slot. Because you add 10 in one rod up. Now 5 in one slot. So minus 5 you will do from the same rod. Minus 5. And your 5 is added. Nothing you have to do. You have done plus 10 in one rod up and minus 5 from the same rod. Now count. See 5, 6, 7 in tens and 1, 2, 3, 4 in ones. So your answer is 74. I hope kids that you are getting the sums. Now we will move to our next sum of big friends formula, addition plus 5. Now kids, this is your fourth sum. It's a 2-row sum. So first row will go in one slot and the second row will go in 10 slot. Now let's start adding. Set your abacus, upper beads up and lower beads down. Kids, please watch the video till last. Yes, this time we are discussing plus 5. Previously we have discussed plus 6 and now we will discuss plus 4 after plus 5. So kids, stay tuned with the video because our next sums will be of plus 4 big friend formula addition. Yes. So please stay tuned with the video till last. Now first of all you have to add 1 in tens dot. So 1 means 1 up. Now next 6 in ones dot. So 5, 6. I hope you are getting this and you can clearly see the abacus tool. Now next add 2 in tens dot. 1, 2 in tens dot. Next 3 in ones dot. See 1, 2, 3 in ones dot. Easily we can add. Now next you have to add 3 in tens dot. And I can see clearly that only one bead is there. So for adding 3 use the formula. The first number which you will add is 5. See students, now you will subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 3? See here 2. So you will subtract 2. Now kids, you have used the small friend formula so much in the sums that you can put this formula directly in the tool. No need to write this formula. Yes, I am writing this to explain you. You can apply this formula directly in the tool. Now for adding this 3, first of all add 5 and then minus 2. So see 3 you have to add in tens dot. So in tens add 5 then minus 2. 1 plus 5 minus 2 I have done and 3 is added. Now next add 5 in ones dot. See 5 you have to add in ones dot, but you can see that 5 is already added. Now for adding 5, this. What is the formula? Big friend formula, see? Plus 10 minus 5. Plus 10 minus 5. Now apply this. Now 10 you have to apply in one rod up. So 5 you have to add in ones rod. So 10 you will add in tens rod. You have to add 5 in this rod. So you are adding 10 here. One rod up. Now minus 5 you will do from the same rod. Minus 5 from ones rod. And your 5 is added. Now you have to add 1 in tens rod. 1. And then 5 in ones rod. 5. Now count. See 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your answer is 89. So students, we have discussed plus 6 and plus 5 sums. Now we will move to plus 4 sums. Means the sums in which you will get lack of bead of plus 4. Now students, it's a fifth sum. Your first row will go in ones and the second will go in tens row. Now let's start adding. Set your abacus, upper beads up and lower beads down. Now first of all add 5 in tens row. 5, so 5 bead down. Now add 1 in ones row. 1. It's 51 we have added. Now next you have to do minus 2. But students, you can see that 2 we have not added only. Yes, we have not added 2. So how you will subtract 2? Lack of bead. So take the help of small friends. Now for subtracting any number, the first number which you will subtract is 5. And then add the friend. Now who is the friend of 2? 3. Now kids, apply this. Now minus 5 first of all. See, 2 you have to subtract from tens dot. So here you will do minus 5. 5 bead back to its place. Then plus 3. 1, 2, 3. This is subtracted. Nothing you have to do now. Now you have to add 0 in 1. 0 means nothing. Now you have to add 5 in tens dot. See 5 bead is there. Add 5. 5 bead down. Now you have to add 2 in 10 ones dot. See 1, 2. And this is done. Now next you have to add 4 in tens lot. 4 in tens lot. But you can see kids that only one beat is there. Now for adding 4 you will use plus 4 big friend formula. Yes, this is our last formula for today's video. Now for adding 4, the first number which you will add is 10. Then subtract the friend of 4. Now who is the friend of 4? See there. In big friend, the friend of 4 is 6. So subtract 6. Means plus 10 minus 6. See, plus 10 minus 6. So let's do or let's apply this formula here. Now 4 you have to add in tens lot. So this 10 you will add in one rod up means hundreds lot. Yes. See 4 you have to add in this rod. So 10 you will add in this one rod up. As I told you, 10 you will always add in one rod up. So 4 you have to add here. So 10 you have added here. 10 I have added. And then minus 6 from the same rod. So 5 and 6. Done. And 4 is added. Now you have to add 6 in one slot. See 5, 6. And your sum is completed. Now count. See now this time you have to count this hundreds rod also because we have used this hundreds rod here. Now 1 in hundreds rod. 2 in tens rod. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in units rod. So 129 is your answer. I hope kids that you get this sum. Now we will move to our last sum of plus 4. Now kids, this is your last sum, set sum, ones and tens. Now let's start adding. This question we will do fast in a quick way. Now this one will go in tens rod. 1. Then 1 again in ones rod. 1, 6, 11. Now 7 in tens rod. For 7, first of all add 5, 6, 7. And then again 7 in ones. See 5, 6, 7. 5 beat from up, 2 beat from down. Now you have to add 4 in tens rod. Now you can see only one beat is there. So apply the big friend formula for adding 4. See here plus 10 minus 6. Plus 4 is equals to plus 10 minus 6. So let's apply this formula. Now first of all do plus 10. Now see kids, 4 you have to add in tens rod. This rod. So 10 you will add one rod up. Means in hundreds rod you will add this 10. Then minus 6 from the same rod. 5, 6. And your 4 is added. Now kids, again you have to add 4 in ones rod. In this rod. But you can see only one beat is there. So again apply this formula for adding 4. See first of all you have to do plus 10. Now 4 you have to add in ones rod. So 10 you will add in tens rod. Means one rod up. See for this 4, 10 I have added in tens rod. Now minus 6 from the same rod. Minus 6 see 5, 6. And this 4 is added. Now kids, you have to add 4 again. Now don't rush for the big friend formulas. Yes, first of all you will apply small friend formulas. Then if you can't apply small friends, then you will go for the big friend. See, I will tell you. See, you have to add this 4. So if you will apply this big friend. So first of all you have to add 10 in this hundreds rod. Then you have to do minus 6 from the same rod. Means tens rod. Now you can see that in tens rod 5 is not added only. So how you will subtract 6? See, this is the situation when you can't apply apply big friend because bead is not there. So you can't apply this. So you will go for the small friend. Now for this 4, first of all you will add 5 and then subtract the friend which is 1. Plus 5 minus 1. Now do see plus 5 minus 1 and your 4 is added. Because we can't apply the big friend here, so we have used small friend. Now add 6 in ones. See 5, 6 and your sum is completed. Now here we have used this hundreds. Now 1, 5, 6, 7 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So 178 is your answer. So kids, in our today's video, today we have discussed big friend formulas, addition of plus 6, plus 5 and plus 4. Means we have done the sums related to plus 4, plus 5 and plus 6 in which we get lack of bead of 4, 5 and 6. So kids, I hope you get the today's sums. The two things only which you have to keep in mind at the time of doing the sums is that whenever you will add 10, you will add 10 in one rod up. And the second thing is, if you can't apply big friend, then apply small friend formula. Or if you can't apply small friend formula, then apply big friends. Means apply the small friends or the big friend formulas wherever necessary. Kids, with this video, I have given you one practice PDF. Do that practice PDF in your Abacus notebook and practice the sums with the help of this Abacus tool. Next time kids, we will meet with the rest of the addition formulas. So kids, make sure you watch every single video and stay tuned to my video to learn more. Thank you.